Hello dear, this is Virendra dear. In this early morning I am very much inspired. My mind has become imaginative and it is very fertile and it wants to share with you some of the truth of life. And that is, we become what we think about. We have absolute control on our thought. So by just controlling positive thoughts, we can create positive results. And if by mistake and ignorance, if we think negative thoughts, we can get negative results. So be very careful about whatever you are feeding to your mind, because whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. The mind has no discrimination between a positive thought and a negative thought. So always filter your thoughts, which is just making you a happy man, a successful man, and a creative man with accurate thinking, and your all achievements and success are going to benefit you, and that is also going to be beneficial to everyone who is a stakeholder in life. So just absolute truth, you can be the master of your fate and you can be the captain of your soul. It is just possible once you have a burning desire, you have decided to go for that with a lot of belief and faith, and persistently, continually, you are striving day and night with alliance with the most expert in that line and with a well-organized planning. So you can really conquer heaven and earth. Everything is possible because you have the power, you have the desire, and you have the will, and you have the determination, and you have the courage and conviction that your every strive will really bear the great fruits. But the essence of the fact remains that you have to have a thought which is positive, which is creative, which is going to make you really very happy, prosperous, and blessed with all the 12 riches in life. A positive mental attitude, a sound physical health, harmonious relations with entire mankind, freedom from fear, worries, and anxieties, hope for future greatness, capacity for applied faith, willingness to share all the blessings with the entire humanity, engaged in a labor of love, open-mindedness, always to all the people and all the concepts and thoughts. Also, self-discipline and self-control and wisdom to understand others and all the abundance of the financial security. So the summary is that you can become what you want to be because there is inside you all of the potential to be whatever you want to be, all of the energy to do whatever you want to do. Imagine yourself as you'd like to be, doing what you want to do, and each day take one step towards your dream. Though at times it may seem too difficult to continue, hold on to your dreams. On one morning you will awake to find that you are the person you dreamed of, doing what you wanted to do, simply because you had the courage to believe in your potential and to hold on to a dream. And you have energy, you have enthusiasm, you have the determination, you have the willpower which have made you giant. And with a burning desire and with a will, you will achieve everything on this planet Earth. But only thing is that your thought, which fill your mind, heart and soul, should be only positive, which brings fruits which are beneficial to you and at the same time serviceable to the mankind. May God bless you. This is Virendra Dr. wishing you all the success in whatever calling and endeavor and entrepreneurship you are. May God bless you. Thank you very much indeed, Virendra Dr. here.